channel. I'm April Hendricks, and today I'm here just to say thank you guys for all watching and subscribing to my channel. I have hit 100 subscribers and I'm so happy, and April Hendricks channel will not be able to continue to grow and thrive without you guys, and I just want to let you guys know that I am so thankful for you all. So continue to like, share, and subscribe. Send me messages to say hey, like you guys have been doing, like giving me motivation and just telling me if I need to correct something or giving me ideas of what you would like to see on this channel. Just continue that, because I'm just trying to continue to give you content that you guys want to see. And again, without your support, then there's no life with April Hendricks channel. And I just want to thank you guys for helping me reach 100 subscribers. Also, since we reached 100 subscribers, I purchased a new ring light because I felt like, okay, we got 100 subscribers, it's time for an upgrade. So I purchased a new Neewer, or it's Neewer ring light, and you know, it's an upgrade from the one that I currently have now. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that as well in this video. So the next video, I'll be using that new ring light so we can see how that works. But let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. And again, thank you all for watching, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. But let's get into it. give it a thumbs up. It was super easy and it's so much better than the one that I have currently. It's super bright and it's a little more high tech. Like, look at this. On the back, it has like off and on switch. It has minimum, maximum, how you can warm it up, and it has code where you can make it minimum to max. You can adjust that as well. Like my other ring light did not have that. I just kind of got a starter one just to play around with it. But you know, since now I got this YouTube kicking off and my 100 subscribers, I felt like I can upgrade. So that's that. And again, thank you all for watching, subscribing, and continue to just give me feedback, because without you guys, there's no Life with April Hendricks channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.